Hi and welcome to this lesson on minor swing. There'll be two videos for this. Firstly, the little introduction as to how to solo over minor swing, and then the backing track. So this is first of all, I'll run through the chords of the tune. The simplest way to play them is you get a triad shape. There are only 3 chords in the tune. You should have the music there. So there's A minor 6, D minor 6, and E7. All 3 of these chords can be played using the same shape. So if you get your second finger on the 5th fret of the bottom E string, get your first finger on the 4th fret of the D string, and then your third finger on the 5th fret of the G string. And you're just going to try and play those 3 strings. The others are all muted, so if you hear them individually, so you're only letting those 3 ring. So that's the first one. To play the next chord, so your second finger, the root note is on the 5th fret. That's an A minor 6. To play the D, you need to get your root note on the D note, which is the 10th fret of the bottom E string. So that's your D note. Then so that's a D minor 6. Then last of all you have E7, which can be played by getting your second finger on the 7th fret. That's an E7. So you're basically going 5th fret, bass string, 10th fret, and 7th fret. I'm going to play through the progression now. So A minor 6, I'm going to count it in. Oh, before I do that actually, okay, so the beats, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, D minor, 2, 3, 4. The beats, they're all downstrokes. There are no upstrokes in the rhythm part, and they're all pretty much on the beat. So also what you want to do is, when you play the note, you kind of push your hand down, your left hand, and when you lift your hand, the music stops, the notes stop ringing out. Hear that? So basically what you do is after you've played the beat with your right hand, you kind of just take your finger off, so you kind of push it on and off. Instead of like this, you're just going off. So it takes a little bit of time to get used to that feel. That's what gives you the driving rhythm feel. It's the kind of Django stuff. So slowly through the tune it goes like this. 1, 2, so I'm going 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor, 2, 3, 4. Bass, E7, 2, 3, 4, 7, 2. A minor, 2, 3. D minor, 6. E7, 7, 2, 3, 4, E7, 2. A minor 6. 2, and again. Okay, so that's the progression through twice. Also on the A minor 6 chord, if you want, as in the diagram, you could also cover the B string, 4th fret. So it's no longer the triad shape; it's the full chord, A minor 6. It gives it a bit more of a full sound. Same for D minor 6. So when you get to the E7, you could just play an E7 like that, which is a C7 shape, moved up to the 5th fret. So there's the other way of playing it. I'll just play it through quickly. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it in its most simplest form. Just down, down, down all the way. There are more accents you can put in, and I'll definitely talk about those in the Django Reinhardt course that's happening in February. So if you want to do it, it's going to be pretty straightforward. If you can get those triads together, you'll be fine. So scale-wise, when I first started playing this kind of music, I was totally a blues musician. All I knew was, and that works over it. The blues works over it fine. Later I found out that you can use the harmonic minor, which is the minor scale. But instead of playing, you sharpen that note to the 6th fret of the D string, so 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 6, 7, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8. Carrying on, it's 4, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8. Sorry. 5, 6, 4, 5. So there are the notes. That's a really nice way of soloing. There's also a technique which is using this note, which I'll definitely talk about in great length in the Django course. Anyway, so they're the scales you use, so try and get that together, and hopefully you can have some fun trying to noodle over the backing track to minor swing using that A harmonic minor scale or even the A blues scale. Cheers.